Hi friends, 4 months ago I showed you some of my Aglonema collections. Today I have come along with the update of the plants. I always try to keep link with each episode, so check the previous episode, then you can distinguish the development of plants after 4 months. Click I button and watch the video. So here is one of the Aglonema with its leaf beauty. There are some more variants, just watch until end. Friends, as the plants grow in my garden, I gradually understand them. There are some basic requirements of some plants. Moreover, you have to categorize some plants under certain groups, like Calathea maranta stromanthe are plants which does not like sunlight at all. They need a lot of moisture in air. Whereas Bougainvillea hibiscus adenium are plants which need full day sunlight. The plant is multiplying itself. A small baby plant is also growing beside. So friends, somehow if you can provide proper conditions to the plant in your garden, plants will never dissatisfy you. Let me tell you, the same plant may not survive in my neighbor's garden having the same weather and climate. So you have to always understand your plant in your garden. Sometimes the same terrace has different airflow and different temperature. So I need to shift my plants according to the weather fluctuation. As we have profuse rainfall throughout the year, under tin shed plants were blocked from sunlight, hence made an extended construction for the plants. Costed me 4.5k. Hope you will also like the idea. Finally, some plants like Rose ficus ixora are growing happily under half-day sunlight. Here, the plants receive sunlight until 11 o'clock. First, when Aglonema came into my garden, I thought the plant is a shade-growing plant. Then the plant growth was retarded. But when I kept plant under morning sun and good shower, the plant started glowing. You can see it for yourself. Now showing you the second variety Aglonema. Very recently I added this species into my garden. Hopefully this is called Aglonema brilliant. This plant is also multiplying. Friends, I have experienced that Aglonema need humidity, lots of moisture content in atmosphere. It needs sunlight as well, but cannot withstand high temperature. Some city which have temperature 35 degrees Celsius above don't keep under sunshine, provide filtered sunlight, but I need to keep it under half-day sun. I have also found that rain splashes have made larger leaves and bright color. A baby plant growing beside the mother plant. Hope it's visible, isn't it? I did not shift from nursery planter. When I find plant is happy, I let it grow. If you are really passionate about plants and if you love them, तो आप भी कुछ दिनों में सीख ही जाएंगे. Next, the third variety Aglonema. मुझे इसका नाम पता नहीं. आप प्लीज इनके नाम कंफर्म कीजिए तो मुझे भी पता चले. चलिए अब इनके मिट्टी कैसे चाहिए जानते हैं. For soil, make a mixture of sand, leaf compost, vermicompost, 1 handful neem extract. Add all these components to half portion of the garden soil. And yes, I always add charcoal crush to most of my plants, especially exotic plants. I suppose Aglonema is a stylish and exotic plant. इनके पत्ते ना मुझे बहुत लुभाते हैं, बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं इनके Aglonema के पत्ते. Now just have a look on this plant. You will not find this plant in any of the plant nursery. I have collected this plant from my habitat. Very rarely I have found in any of the YouTube channel. Click I button and watch this video. You will find the previous condition. I am too much happy that a hill growing plant has survived in my garden. This is Achimenes longiflora. Needs humidity and moisture for growth and filtered sunlight. Flowers are beautiful. है ना? আমি খুব খুশি. I think every gardener will be happy when a dying plant survives. All the Aglonema have more or less same requirements regarding soil, fertilizer and weather. Next, the fourth species. This is the lipstick Aglonema. Lady pink and lipstick Aglonema are a bit fussy. There are several varieties of Aglonema, but most of them are not available और अगर मिल भी जाए तो high price, कभी-कभी 1000 INR भी चाहते हैं प्लांट नर्सरी में. इस पौधे की हालत बहुत ही खराब थी, पर मैंने कोशिश जारी रखी ताकि ये बच जाए. ज़्यादा छेड़छाड़ नहीं किए, पर सर्विलेंस में रखे थे. पर हाँ, ये बताना ज़रूरी है कि मॉनसून ने इन सभी को डेवलपमेंट में मदद किए. Always keep in mind that if your pot soil is loose, porous and well drained, fertile soil, then you need not to worry about root rot of plant. But in some plants we need to add much pebbles and much coarse river sand. Plants like Anthurium, Azalea, Jarvera and Vinca. And always make a layer of pebbles at the bottom of each pot when you grow any kind of plant. Very soon we'll separate Sansevieria plant. You see Vinca growing from cuttings. We'll make more cuttings. The mother plant will not survive. So friends, make Vinca cuttings and propagate. This is the perfect time. Do it now. This is the other part of my garden, and here there are several plants you can see, and have a look. This is the orange mandarin plant. Hope you can see it's growing pretty well, and I will give you the update later on. Friends, don't worry about fertilizer for Aglonema. I have not added any fertilizer since 1 year. You too don't add fertilizer for the first 1 year, but after that you can add little vermicompost, and will suggest to add very dilute liquid mustard cake fertilizer. I have found no infestation on this plant, but spider mites are likely to happen and fungus attack also, but not in my case. This is the fifth variety, Aglonema Silver Bay. Spray babistine once every month and neem oil mixed with soap water once a month. Do not spray both of them on same day, but a gap of 10 days in between. This plant is the easiest growing compared to rest of all that I have showed you. I had purchased a single plant, but several plants are growing rapidly. Look at him, always sniffing. You need not do anything for this variety. Grow in any kind of soil. Sunlight not needed, grow it under semi-shade. So friends, add Aglonema to your garden. Any plant related problem, send the plant picture to my Instagram ID. Link attached to the description box. So subscribe into my channel and stay connected. Bye bye. See you soon on my next video.